Well, welcome back to the garden. This is week number 10 and we're out here on a Saturday morning looking to see what's ready to pick.
And it looks like our onions are ready. We haven't been talking much about our onions because they are one of those low maintenance vegetables. And we planted them at like 12 weeks ago. And here they are. These are some of the smaller varieties that we just pulled a minute ago. And some of the larger varieties here, they might be almost ready too. We're gonna check those out during the week. And over here, we have some beets also.
Yes, I noticed this little beet patch right here, and can I pull it just
Sure,
to see?
let's see. Oh wow, that looks like it's ready.
Wow. And you know too, Courtney, these are fabulous when they're raw. I mean, just like a carrot, if you cut them in really small pieces, they're fabulous in a salad.
What I'm looking forward to is making that beet hummus recipe that you shared at VegFest this year. That was awesome.
Yeah, that's a great way to use these.
Let's show you some other things. So here we are by our greens. These are all of our lettuces, and they are still doing awesome. Normally the lettuces, the kales, they like a little cooler weather, and we've gotten really hot these last few weeks, and I think what's allowing these to continue to flourish is this big tree behind us. The sun will cross over during the day. This is morning now, so you see the sunshine, but by afternoon this whole area is shaded, and that gives the greens a little cover so we get a longer growing season.
Yeah, that's a great placement for this plant.
That's by design, yep. So we've been talking about our yellow squash, which is flourishing. But check out our spaghetti squash here. We have two, one on the other side, and they're doing pretty well. They're going to take a little while to grow, but what we do in the meantime is try to give them a very gentle turn every now and then. And that's so one side doesn't get flat and decay. We just want to keep it moving. You have to be very gentle though, just small little movements, because we don't want the stem to snap when we do that.
Yeah, wow, that makes sense.
I'll be ready just in time for fall.
Here's the eggplants, and we've got some lavender flowers today, which is really exciting.
Those are going to be our eggplant, and these plants were so tiny when we put them in the box here, because we started them indoors, and they were so frail. I didn't know if they were going to make it, because these plants are going to hold these Black Beauty eggplants, which get to be about this size.
Yeah, it's incredible.
And they're heavy, sometimes multiple eggplants on each plant. But the plant is strong enough to hold them. It doesn't snap off, they cling. So I'm looking forward to those. Are you enjoying this video?
Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and you can also ding that notification button.
Like us and share us. So finally today we wanted to share some exciting news with you. Our little purple pole beans are starting to climb. We had all but given up on these last week.
I know. Well, that's gardening for you.
I think these little beans are just like people, where there was so much anticipation and expectation for these beans to climb, and once we conceded that that might not happen, the pressure was off and they were free to just relax and do their thing. So it's a late start. Hopefully they'll be able to climb up. Don't see any purple beans just yet, but I do see some flowers, so we'll keep an eye on those.